Hello everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I've brought for you part 15 of the SRT practice exercise where we are going to discuss some questions, that is situations which are commonly asked in SRT, and we will also discuss some responses for those situations. Starting with the first situation, his friends are not willing to donate blood due to the fear of health hazards. The situation में क्या करेंगे? Either he will clarify them about safety measures, convince them to donate blood, and the friends will donate the blood. They will tell them the pros of donating blood, show them some websites on Google about whether if there are any health hazards or not, clarify their doubts and motivate them to donate the blood. Second situation can come up. He was one of the good players of the college hockey team, but was not selected as the captain of the team. So इस केस में वो क्या करेंगे? He will play, give his best, and made his team win. Next year, he will be made the captain. Yeah, he will accept the position, cooperate with the teammates, ask the coach about why or the reason why where he was lacking for not being the captain. He will improve on those points, and in the next term became the captain. The next situation can come up. While going for the picnic, he saw the road jammed due to an accident in the middle of the road. तो वो क्या करेंगे? इस case में he will went to the site of the accident, gave first aid to the injured, sent one of his friends to admit the injured in the nearest hospital, help the clear the jam, and then reach to the picnic spot. Once all the things are done, yeah, he will give a basic first aid to the injured, took the injured out of jam, admit him in the nearest hospital, informing his family, and told his friends to clear the jam, and then they will reach the picnic spot. The next situation is while enjoying the fair, he found a girl lost from her parents. It's going to get dark. This case may obviously will take her to the announcement room, got her name and her parents' name, get them announced, and the parents will come and take the child away. Or he will find a nearby with the girl, look for the girl's parents, found the parents, and hand over the girl to them. या आप उनको पुलिस को भी जो पुलिस रहता है वहां पे भी उनको गर्ल को हैंड ओवर कर सकते हो. Okay, next is it was his first visit to the snow-bounded area at some distance. A man being buried under the snow. So this case where he will take him out of the snow and take him to the nearest hospital at the earliest, or he will take him out of the snow with the people around, gave him basic first aid, called ambulance, and then admitted him. The next situation is they were scaling a high wall of fort, and the halfway he saw that the rope gave up. So in case mein, he will stop others from climbing on the rope, stop climbing and moving, shout for another rope from people on top, change the rope and climb the wall. He will stop others to climb on rope, made grip on the wall, grab rope above the breaking point, and reach the top of the wall. The next situation that can come up, on the usual evening walk, he found two cyclists unconscious and their cycles lying on the roadsides. No other vehicles seemed to be around. In this case, he will take them to the shelter, threw water over them or sprinkled water over them, made them conscious, called the ambulance, admitted them, and called their family members and informed the police. Or he will call his brother and brought his car, took them to the hospital, called their family members, and informed the police about the accident. The next situation can be he met with an accident while going to the college for examination. So, in case mein, he will take the first aid, hire a private vehicle and reach college, or he will go to the hospital in his route, got himself treated, call the college to tell them about the accident. Then he will reach college on time. Next situation is most of his college boys were donating blood during war. He is not much healthy. So, in case mein, he will donate blood and make sure most students donate blood, or he will donate blood as per his medical capacity. The next situation is 2 days before finals of tennis tournament, he was called at home by his mother who is ill. So, this case may he will take his brother to take care of him, help him financially, play the match, win it, and then reach home and take care of his mother. Yeah, he will call the friends or neighbors to help his mother in getting admitted, send money for the treatment, play the match, win it, and then reach home and take care of her. या फिर आप ये भी बोल सकते हो that he will inform his coach or his captain about the situation at his home, get a suitable replacement for him, and then he will leave the match or he will go to his mother, take care of her, and then in the next match he will participate full-heartedly and win it. Okay, ये ऐसे भी आप कर सकते हो. There is no हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल की जो भी रिस्पॉन्सेस हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया हर एक सिचुएशन के लिए यही आपको लिखना है. यू कैन यूज और यू कैन राइट एनी रिस्पॉन्सेस ऑफ वट एवर यू विश और वट यू हैव डन in that kind of situation. Now, I will give you 5 situations for your homework for which I want you to write one response for each situation in the comment box below. First situation is while going to the market to bring medicines, it started raining heavily and all the streets got flooded. He. Second, due to rain, there was a flood in his village. All people are moving out of the village, leaving cattle behind. He. Third, while trekking through deep snow, his foot slipped and he slipped deep into ditch. He cried for help, but no one was there. He. Fourth, a man had fallen into sea when the sea was rough. He. And fifth, on a windy afternoon, his neighbor's house caught fire. All his friends were sleeping on first floor. He. तो इनके लिए आप एक एक रिस्पॉन्स नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइएगा और अगर आपको ऐसे अपने एसएसबी इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है तो प्लीज गेट योरसेल्फ एनरोल्ड इनटू एसएसबी इंटरव्यू ऑनलाइन कोर्स बाय डाउनलोडिंग आवर एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स लर्निंग ऐप. ऑल्सो इफ यू प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी ऑफ द रिटन डिफेंस एग्जाम उसके लिए भी कोर्सेस हमने अपने ऐप में प्रोवाइड किया है तो कोर्सेज को जरूर चेकआउट कीजिए और एनरोल कीजिए. एनरोलमेंट के वक्त वॉरियर 10 का कोड जरूर यूज कीजिएगा जिससे आपको इन कोर्सेज में 10% का डिस्काउंट मिल सके. That was it from my side. I hope to see you very soon with the very important portion and the topic for your upcoming SSB interview and preparation. Till then, stay tuned with us and always stay positive and motivated. Jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें. आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं.